Okay, next we're going to look at the default file. So right now, I've configured my Apache server so it serves from C www. Notice we have test.html. So if we go to localhost, it just gives us a listing of the files in the directory. However, if you notice if I change that to index.html and I refresh it, it automatically serves up that file, because that's if you look at index, that's what's inside of that file. So we want to change it so it doesn't just go to the default index.html. We're going to look at some other ones. So what we do is let's go ahead and start Notepad. You need to run it as an administrator again. So we're going to be changing something in the program files directory. So we'll go there. Program files, Apache. Oops, and we'll open up that one. Go to languages, shell, and I'm just going to do a search for index.html, and you can see that that's the default one. So suppose we want to change it, so we want it to serve d.h. We'll say default. I mean, it's arbitrary.
There's somebody using.
And I'm pretty sure we can actually just put a comment into different ones. So I'm going to do index.html. We'll do index.htm. That's probably enough. We'll go ahead and we'll save it. The point is that these could be whatever we want. So we got to restart the server. And let's go ahead and we'll change this. Let's change this to, we'll say cat.html. And so you notice that it popped up, but if we change it to any of the default ones, so if we're just at a directory, it'll look for one of these default ones. So so let's go ahead and change this to default. HTML. Go ahead and refresh it. And I just realized that you know what? You don't put commas between them. You just put spaces. So that's why it. Let's try that here. It's always like the little things that get you. So let's go back and. Okay, so now if we'll change it to default.html. So now if we refresh it, now it serves it up. So anyway, the point is that you can go ahead and you can change what file it will serve to you, so to speak, by default, just by changing this setting in the httd.com.